Once the great Persian scholar was invited to the court of a mighty king. The king, known for his arrogance, took great pride in his vast wealth. With a smug smile, he looked at Scholar and said, "Tell me, wise man, isn't it true that wealth is the most powerful thing in the world? With money, one can buy anything: honor, respect, and even happiness. Do you not agree?" Wise man listened patiently, then replied with a calm smile, "Your Majesty, wealth has its place, but true power lies in wisdom, patience, and contentment. If you allow, I can prove this to you with a simple test." Curious, the king agreed. Wise man called one of the royal servants and asked him to fill a heavy pouch with gold coins. He then instructed the servant to tie the pouch securely to both of the king's hands. Once the king's hands were bound with gold, Scholar ordered another servant to bring a large pitcher of water and place it in front of the king. Looking directly into the king's eyes, Wise man said, "Now, Your Majesty, without letting go of the gold, drink this water." The king, feeling confident, bent down and tried to take a sip. But no matter how hard he tried, he couldn't reach the water. His hands, weighed down by the gold, prevented him from holding the pitcher. Minutes passed, and the king's throat became dry. His need for water grew stronger. He struggled, twisted, and turned, but to no avail. As his thirst became unbearable, frustration took over. Finally, unable to endure any longer, he let go of the gold pouch. The heavy sack of coins fell to the ground with a loud clang, and the king grabbed the pitcher, drinking the water desperately. As he wiped his lips, catching his breath, he looked up at Wise man, who stood there smiling gently. With a voice full of wisdom, Wise man said, "Your Majesty, just now, you had to choose between gold and water. You held on to your wealth, but when true need struck, you abandoned it without hesitation. This is the reality of wealth. It may seem powerful, but when life tests you, it holds no true value compared to the simple blessings of life. True power lies in wisdom, patience, and contentment, not in gold and silver." The king sat in silence, his arrogance melting away. For the first time, he understood the fleeting nature of wealth and the true meaning of power and peace. Wealth is temporary, but wisdom and patience last forever. Money can buy luxury, but it cannot buy true happiness, peace, or inner fulfillment. True power lies in contentment, humility, and understanding life's real priorities. Sometimes we chase wealth so blindly that we forget the true blessings we already have.